Soils need good structure with abundant pores and channels to allow the movement of the water and air needed by both plants and all the creatures that live in the soil. In waterlogged or compacted soils, the lack of air, oxygen, changes the soil chemistry. The health of the myriad of microbes, bacteria, insects, fungi, worms, grubs, and other forms of life that exist in the soil are essential prerequisites for ongoing healthy plant growth. Their main function is to convert vegetable matter and animal waste into a form that makes it available as nutrients that can be absorbed by the plants. The total weight of all the little creatures in the top 30 centimetres of the soil in the average garden is about 700 grams per square metre. The main workers are the microbes, protozoa and bacteria, and the worms. Microbes, as their name suggests, are very small. In a teaspoon of soil you will find more than 1 million microorganisms, and there can be thousands of different species of them. Yuck! Although you cannot see them, you may be able to smell them. Other microbes stop the soil from having a bad egg smell, whilst others protect the plants from soil-borne diseases. The star of the soil world must be the earthworm. In a worm-friendly garden, this can add up to about 7 kilos of high-grade manure per square metre per year, all of which greatly improves the fertility of your soil. Did you know that worms have 5 hearts? Over 95% of bugs are really helpful, and without them beavering away underground, all our plants would quickly die. If that happened, all life on Earth, including us, would die too. Tardigrades are known to be able to go for decades without food or water and can live for over 60 years. They can survive temperatures from near absolute zero to well above the boiling point of water. They can survive pressures well above those in the deepest ocean trenches, and even survive space. In fact, in 2007, some was shot into space orbit on the outside of a rocket for 12 days, with 68% surviving the ordeal. Tardigrades are usually about 0.5 millimetre long when fully grown. They're short and plump with 4 pairs of legs, each ending in claws, usually 4 to 8, or sucking discs. Tardigrades are prevalent in mosses and lichens and found all over the world. Fungi, strictly speaking, are not creatures, but are just as important. Some fungi eat wood, whilst others recycle nutrients. Phytophthora, whilst not strictly a fungus, is similar in both morphology and habitat, but is actually a genus of plant-damaging pneumocytes. If you must use fertilizers, stick to cow manure, blood and bone, or seaweed extracts. This has been another Doug Rickard Soil Talk. Subscribe for more great content.